What's up, Grateful Gang? So today we're gonna see how this $14 glossed lip gloss from Sephora compares to these two Dollar Tree $1.25 lip glosses. Do they look similar? Will they work out? So I am going to use the same lip liner. It's just a basic brown lip liner. Let's start off with the Sephora for us to see where we're at. Now, I'm sure you can use these glosses without using a lip liner, but I like to use a lip liner with lighter color gloss for me personally. This is the $14 gloss by Sephora. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty. We're gonna go in with the Lip Plumper LA Colors C37548. And that's what this one looks like. The color is very similar to this, except I can tell that the one from Dollar Tree has a little more, has like glitter, is what I'm saying. Okay. Plump and gloss. Smells like vanilla. Okay, $1.25. I don't feel like I'm getting as much product out, but the color payoff is giving the same. Excuse me, my lip is kind of tingly. I don't know about that. I know it's supposed to be a plumper, so maybe that's why it's tingling, but it's tingling. It's tingly burny. But this is what this one looks like. Pretty. Don't love the tingly burning feeling. Okay, and so then the next one is our last one. It's by B Color. I don't think I've used anything from this brand before. It is the Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss. It's supposed to be chocolate scented, and this is what that looks like. This, I believe, is a little bit more pink. That lip gloss is spicy. And now we're gonna open up the Boba Milk Tea lip gloss from the Dollar Tree. I don't even like boba milk tea, but we'll see. First claim, does it smell like chocolate? Absolutely smells like chocolate. Is there a color? Y'all, literally, I can't tell if the color's there or that's my lip just with some shine on it. Something. This one is not as tingly. Smells like chocolate. It's giving gloss, which I kind of like. Let me sit still so y'all can see. I like it, but I feel as though it's not really giving any color per se. It's not giving any color. And so I'm going to wipe off the tips of these and I'm going to swatch them on my hand really quickly just to see. It must be it's a color because there's color on the napkin. Okay. But when I tell you, like I'm saying, like on my skin though, we're not getting, like, this is what it swatches. Literally, what? Yeah. It's cute with a nice lip liner if you just want gloss. And it feels good on my lips, so that I'm not mad I bought it. But like with the one prior that was tingling me, you can see there is at least some color. It's the second one up. There's some color happening, you know? We're getting a little bit. And then with the gloss from Sephora is the one on top, also getting some color. It is gloss, so we're not expecting anything super crazy. I would wear this again. I think the only one I would not wear probably is this LA Colors, and that's because it's burning me. You know, it's burning. This is supposed to be a short, y'all, but I don't even know. But I will leave some swatch. It might just be a long video. A little short video. But let me know, would you try these budget lip glosses and save, like $12? I think I would wear this. I would. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. It could have been the more expensive one too. That's fair. Just let me know. Would you switch out your expensive one for a not so expensive one? Oh, this one ain't got no color. This is gonna be perfect for like a little gloss over top of something else. For real. I can make a cute little combo out of this. Anywho, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my budget-friendly makeup haul. Love you, mean it. Bye.